The group included Springbok captain Siya Kolisi, World Rugby Player of the Year Peter Steph de Toy, Bongi Mbonambi, as well as new head coach Jacques Nienaber. Also in attendance was Blitzboks skipper Sevive Soyezwapi and Springbok Women's Sevens captain Zintle Mapupa.
Our message has been stronger together, and we really believe that the people of South Africa got behind us during the World Cup in the past couple of years as a Springbok team, and we're now trying to do our bit and just say thank you and just help out where we can as a team.
The competition allows supporters to win items from the successful Springbok squad that were used by them at the World Cup. The members of the respective teams also came out in support of highlighting gender-based violence in South Africa and to bring an end to this pandemic against women.
Just protect your sister, protect your mom, protect your grandmother, and to the brothers out there, love us like we are your own, sisters, like we are our own mothers and everything.
The Springboks brought so much joy to South Africans by winning the World Cup in Japan. They added again, especially to highlight gender-based violence and to bring an end to this horrible violence by men on innocent women. Craig Murray, SABC News, Cape Town.